Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you where is WhatsApp status stored. If you want to see where our WhatsApp status stored, so you just need to follow these steps. First, look for Google Files app in your phone. Here's that. You just have to need this app. Just open it, and here just tap on the three dots in the left corner of the screen. Just tap on it, and now tap on settings. And here you can see the option of show hidden files. You just have to enable these settings, and now you will be able to see downloaded status in your phone. And let's see how. Now go back, and here search for internal storage. Here's that, tap on it, and here if you have to find a folder Android, here's that, tap on it. Now tap on media, and here look for WhatsApp folder. Here's that, tap on it, tap on WhatsApp again, and here tap on media, and after that here you will be shown the folder of dot statuses. Just tap on it, and now you will be able to see all of your downloaded status in your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.